Brad Williams, Excel Primed. Welcome to your introduction to Excel. And what we'll be covering in this section will be getting started with Excel. Doesn't have to be hard. 2, the A to Z of understanding Excel workbooks and worksheets. 4, how to navigate with your keyboard. It's so simple. 5, how to use the ribbon and how does it work. 6, how to use shortcut menus, strategies for beginners. 7, the best way to customize your quick access toolbar. 8, how to work with dialog boxes, your way to success. 9, the quickest and easiest way to creating your first Excel workbook. 10, easy ways to make your worksheet look a bit fancier faster. 11, how to create a chart, an incredibly easy method that works for everyone. 12, how to print your worksheet. And 13, how to save your workbook. Excel's heritage goes back over 40 years. Over that period, some improvements and some not so improved. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the goods and the bad. And I'll be very straight up with you. I'm not going to hold back. There are some great things within Excel, and then there's a lot of crap. If you're in store for learning Excel, then hang on. There's a lot of information. Now, about Excel, you know it's about spreadsheets, but it's also about crunching numbers. It's about creating budgets, creating charts and organizing lists, manipulating text, accessing other data via import, creating graphics and dashboards, and a whole host of other things. My name is Brad Williams, and I do Excel training. Brad Williams, Excel Primed.